Las Vegas, this is NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat.
Hey guys, Larry Becker here with another trade show floor report from the FACILIS booth. And I'm here with James McKenna. And did I say that right, James?
You did.
All right. And you are with FACILIS. Yep. Tell me your position here.
VP of Marketing. I also do a lot of pre-sales as well, and pre-sales engineering.
Okay. Tell everybody what FACILIS is if you had your 5-second elevator pitch.
Sure. Well, FACILIS sells shared storage, and it's a virtualized shared storage system. So we can do a lot of things that other companies can't in terms of project-based volumes, user allocations and permissions, very simplistic operation of a shared storage system that in the end is a very complex and high bandwidth thing, but we make it very easy for the end user.
Now you guys have a big announcement here at the show. What's going on at the show this year?
Well, a couple things. We've announced something just prior to the show, and the things we announced prior were 32 gig fiber channel, which is it's a huge boost in what we can do over fiber channel connection to the system. And one of the things about FACILIS that's unique is that we still support fiber channel and Ethernet through our shared file system, and we also support fiber channel through a single user write, which is a block mode, allows for a much higher bandwidth as well through that method. And we also are doing 12 gig SAS controllers, and 12 gig SAS controller is going to give us a boost across the entire network for every type of connectivity method we have. Here we're showing the Adobe Collaboration Hub, standalone, running on a Terablock server itself. That allows for project sharing across multiple Premiere Pro clients, and this is really something that's going to change the way that Premiere Pro and Creative Cloud facilities work.
Interesting. Now you also have a hybrid solution, and tell us what that means to your customers. What does this hybrid provide?
Right. The hybrid solution is the best way to combine SSDs and standard hard drives, traditional hard drives, in the same enclosure, in the same workflow, in the same product. And the way we do it is very unique because we have a virtual volume system where I can create volumes on any group of drives that I like, allocate that to separate jobs according to what they need. So we have a lot of facilities that run compressed HD work, and they run standard 35 megabit, 25 megabit. They run some compressed 4K, and they also have uncompressed 4K and UHD they need as well. So the hybrid system gives them the ability to utilize the SSDs for exactly those jobs and leave the high capacity hard drives for the remainder of the high bandwidth work in compressed HD.
Is anybody else doing that?
Not as easily as we are, because for everybody else it's a more complex notion, like how do you incorporate SSDs into your system. We do it extremely easily because our system has always been very easy to use. It's always been very definable and dynamic for the end users in post-production. So the ability to create a volume that has super high bandwidth, and also to create volumes for the remainder of the facility that have high bandwidth and high capacity, but not quite what SSDs can do. Very simple, and you don't need to be an administrator or an IT person to do it.
James, where can people find out more about FACILIS?
www.facilis.com, or come see us at SL8811 at NAB 2016.
That would be the South Lower Floor. You guys got to come by and see James at the FACILIS booth like we did for NAB Show Live.